Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get honor points in Last War Survival. In Last War Survival, honor points are a key resource for progressing in the later stages of the game. One of the primary ways to earn them is through alliance. Joining an active alliance that participates in frequent wars and capital contests ensures that by taking part in weekly battles and duels, you will steadily accumulate honor points. Keep in mind that these points are more valuable as you advance, so beginners shouldn't expect rapid gains. Another way to earn honor points is by completing the arena accessibly via your military options after clearing zombies from District 38. The arena rewards you based on your performance, with higher ranks yielding more points. By combining active alliance participation in arena battles, you can efficiently boost your honor points and strengthen your standing in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.